Hello everyone, I am Hariprasad and my batch ID is V24CE3H2 and I am from Vector India, Chennai. I am here to explain the project that I did during my time in Vector India. The title of the project is Edge Computing Based Home Automation using Alexa Voice Assistant. And the purpose of this project is to design a smart home system in which the home appliances can be controlled from anywhere across the globe remotely, and not only for remote access, and they can also be activated through the presence of humans in the household. Now coming back to the project, the components that I have used for this project is Node MCU. This is the edge of the project. I selected this microcontroller because it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi module, then a 4-channel relay module to connect the appliances, then 4 AC lights, each representing different home appliance, and the PIR sensor for motion detection purpose. Main difference between the cloud computing and edge computing is that in cloud computing, the data from the sensors is taken and given back to the remote cloud server where they are processed and the result is sent back to the smart home. But in edge computing, the data from the sensors is given to the edge that is present in the target side. So the latency is very less and it is very high in speed as compared to cloud computing. Now let's go to the implementation and working part. As the name suggests, it is edge computing, so it can be divided into two parts: cloud computing side and local computing side. For the cloud computing side, let's say the user gives a command to the voice assistant, that is the Alexa. The voice assistant receives this command from the user and sends it to the edge, that is a microcontroller present in the network. The edge receives this command and then process and analyze what kind of command it received, and then do the necessary operations afterwards. This is what happens in cloud computing side. Coming to the local computing side, what happens is the lights are controlled by PIR sensor, that is the motion detection sensor. Let's say if there is motion inside a room, the PIR sensor detects that motion and then turns on the light automatically. And if there is no motion for a certain period of time, then the lights will be turned off automatically. This is how the motion sensor plays the role to control the peripherals or the home appliances in the room and the household without the help of the cloud computing, that is local computing side. This is the implementation of my project. Now let us see the live demo of how it is working in real time of the project. So as you can see, my mobile data and hotspot is turned on. This mobile data serves as the internet connection for the 8266. It is being connected to through the hotspot. Now let me open the voice assistant app. Alexa, kitchen light on.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen light off.
Okay.
Alexa, veranda light on.
Okay.
Alexa, veranda light off.
Okay.
You can see this is how we can control the lights in our household remotely. As you can see, this is how the household appliances can be controlled through the voice assistant app. Thank you. For Vector India, Chennai.